Recently, I discovered that people are earning anywhere from $50 to $400 per hour by reading Amazon KDP books, and I knew I had to share this information with you. So, if you're interested, stick around until the end of this video. I'll break down everything you need to know about ACX, including how to get paid, sign up, and audition for books. Before we dive in, I'd like to remind you that only a small percentage of viewers who watch my videos are subscribed. If you find this video valuable, consider subscribing with notifications on so that you'll be notified of new money-making strategies as soon as they become available. Now let's jump right into my computer. How it works. ACX is a website that works with companies like Audible, Amazon, and iTunes to turn ebooks into audiobooks, a popular trend on Amazon KDP. As a voice actor or narrator, your job is to find a book that suits your voice or tone. If you lack the necessary skills, don't worry. ACX University will train you to be a voice actor and a good narrator. You'll audition for books you're interested in, and the website will provide different videos and training modules to help you improve. To find a book, simply visit the ACX website, where you'll find over 1,700 different titles accepting auditions. You can narrow down your search by category, gender, and genre, ensuring that you find the perfect book to audition for. Once you've found a book, you'll record a rough draft and send it to the author. If they approve your work, you'll record a final version to ensure that your tone fits what the author is looking for. Finding the right book. To find the right book, you'll need to narrow down your search. Use the category side to find the right book for you and filter by gender and genre. If you're a young adult, look for authors who are searching for young adult voices. Once you've found a book that interests you, click the Apply button to begin the audition process. You have the flexibility to start and stop as you please, but we will discuss the specific requirements later. It's crucial to ensure that you match the accent the client is looking for, so you must still do an audition even after scrolling down. Although you have the freedom to choose the books you want, we recommend checking out the Amazon book links and reading reviews to ensure the book fits your representation. You can opt to do books that are under 3 hours if you don't want to commit to a more substantial project. For instance, some books take only 0.7 hours, while others take 2.7 hours to read. The payment for these projects is based on the finished hour rate, which ranges from $50 to $100 per hour. Any additional work outside of the recording, such as pre-reading the book, does not count toward your pay. However, there are opportunities to make more significant earnings on this platform, with some authors paying up to $400 per hour. Please leave a comment below and let us know where you're watching this video from, so we can create specific content for your region in future videos. When it comes to higher paying books, they are typically longer or thicker. For example, one book takes 10.8 hours to read and pays $200 to $400 per finished hour, meaning you can earn up to $4,000 with just one book. There are 3 payment options available, including the Royalty Share Plus, Pay Per Hour, or Royalty Pay, which the author chooses. Please note that we will always make the payment structure clear to avoid any confusion. The reason for this is that your voice is used to generate revenue. Depending on the book's success, the Royalty Share Plus pay structure can be lucrative. Before making a decision, consider the hourly pay and royalty percentage. Though Royalty Share Plus includes an hourly rate, it may not be as high as $200 to $400 per hour. The problem with books not yet listed is that you don't know how well they will sell. To ensure maximum profit, select books with high sales and choose either Royalty Pay or Royalty Share Plus. Before making a decision based on royalties, make sure the book has a proven track record. They recommend taking breaks every 15 minutes to check for background noise and ensure accuracy before completing the entire book. Step 7 involves collaborating with other voice actors or professionals. You can pay independent contractors to do the voice acting for you, and in turn, give them a percentage of your pay. After finishing the recording, you send it in, and an automated system checks for acceptable noise levels. You can find the specific requirements and acceptable levels on their website to get started. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest videos. By subscribing, you'll have access to more helpful tips and tricks to help you succeed. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.